It's time to redefine the conversation around success. We are all really good at ticking those boxes that we were told to tick to create an incredible life. But now, there has never been more demands on our time, our energy, or our focus, and we need to take the pressure off of ourselves. I mean, you're doing a great job. All of that creativity and innovation and inspiration that we're seeking so that we can shift our lives and create more of what we want, that comes from a place when we have calm and quiet and space. Oh my gosh, aren't you wanting more space in your life? I want you to sit at every single table in your life, from the kitchen table to the corporate boardroom, knowing that your voice matters. No one is doing what you are doing your way. And there are people out there that will benefit from exactly what you are doing. And that is your calling, that is your job, is to take the action that you need to get the work that you're doing in front of the people that can benefit from it the most. Don't look back and wish you'd already started. Book a discovery consult with me. It's kind of like a first date. Absolutely no pressure, but it is a conversation that will change the rest of your life.